If you're on the lookout for powerful music notation software, you are in the right place. Right here, right now, we're going to put head-to-head Dorico as well as MuseScore and see which one is the better software. Now, keep in mind that they have been designed for specific use cases, so you need to make sure that you know what it is you want out of the software. Alright, let's check them out. So the first thing we're going to jump into is MuseScore. So first of all, it has a really user-friendly interface. It has a what you see is what you get kind of environment, making it really easy for pretty much anyone to create and edit scores on a visual basis. It has extensive instrumental support, which allows you to select from over 500 instruments, allowing a wide range of musical styles. You also get the advanced notation capabilities, which supports unlimited staves, multiple voices per staff, and even various notational elements such as dynamics, articulations, and lyrics, and so forth. It also has a cool playback feature, which includes a built-in sequencer with sound font, which is support for realistic instrumental sound, which works well with the effects like reverb and chorus during your playback. You also have awesome collaboration tools, which allows you to upload scores to the MuseScore cloud for real-time collaboration with other musicians. You get file import export capabilities as well with MIDI and music XML formats, enabling easy sharing and editing across different music notation softwares. And all in all, it's a pretty awesome app to use. Dorico, on the other hand, is a professional engraving quality tool. Dorico is known for its high quality engraving capabilities, producing beautifully formatted scores that meet professional standards. It also comes with flexible input methods, which allows you to input music via MIDI, keyboard, mouse, or even step time entry, allowing for super versatility in how scores are actually created. You also get the advanced notation options. It offers extensive features for complex notations such as jazz and contemporary music, including support for swing, playback, and advanced chord symbols. You also get a dynamic parts management system. It automatically generates parts from the full score, allowing for easy management of individual musical parts without duplicating work. It has a powerful playback engine that supports VST instruments and effects for that high quality audio output. It also has super customizable workflows. You can tailor the interface with workflows to suit your specific needs, which can, of course, enhance that productivity in your score preparation. Now, as we mentioned before, you do need to go ahead and use both of the softwares and see which one works for you specifically and which one actually feels good while you're using it. If this was truly helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time, people. Peace.